In this video, I'll show you how to connect and use a flash drive on your smart TV to watch videos, view photos, or open files easily. Step 1. Prepare your flash drive. Make sure your flash drive is formatted to FAT32 or exFAT. These formats work best with most smart TVs. Copy your videos, music, or photos onto the drive from your computer. Step 2. Plug the flash drive into your TV. Locate the USB port on the side or back of your smart TV. Insert the flash drive into the port. Your TV should detect it automatically. Step 3. Access the USB content. Use your remote and press the Home or Source button. Select USB, Media Player, or Source USB device from the menu. Browse through your files using the remote. Step 4. Play or open files. Click on the file you want to play, whether it's a movie, photo slideshow, or audio file. Use the remote to pause, skip, or change settings while the file is playing. Bonus tips. Not all TVs support all file types. MP4, MP3, and JPEG are the most common. If the flash drive isn't recognized, try using a different port or reformatting the drive on your computer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.